Welcome to Project Addiction. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog your 3D printer nozzle using a torch. Hey, welcome back to Project Addiction. So today we're out in the garage again, but I'm not working on a car or metal work or woodwork or anything like that. No, today I'm working on this. It's a part of my 3D printer, and the problem that I've got is the nozzle is clogged up, and all of the usual methods, doing a cold pull, using cleaning filament, or even a nozzle cleaning pin, aren't working. And the reason is, there's actually a chunk of PTFE tube stuck inside this. Unfortunately, I was running the printer a little bit hotter than I should have been, trying to print a material the printer's not meant to print, and I did a little bit of damage. But I need to use that printer again today, and I don't have a new nozzle to replace the old one with, so I need to find a way to clear out that PTFE and all the other junk that's stuck in it so we can get printing again. So the only thing that we're going to need to do this is a torch and some safety glasses. Now, before we get going, I want to make something very clear. The method that we're about to use here is an absolute last resort. If your part needs to be extremely dimensionally accurate or you need a high quality finish, well, cleaning the nozzle out this way could make that completely impossible. We're going to be heating this nozzle up to red hot, and there's a good possibility that we either damage the nozzle or it's no longer dimensionally correct anymore. This 0.4 nozzle could be 0.4 one way and 0.6 the other way by the time we're done. This is a last resort to get you printing if you're in a jam, but really the nozzle needs to be replaced in the end. And we're done clearing out the nozzle. So no, you probably won't be able to see it in the camera there, but now we can actually see light through, and if we look inside, there's no more plastic, it's all just metal. So what we were looking for by heating it up was no more yellow flame. If you're getting yellow flame, it means that there's contaminants or plastic on the nozzle and they're still burning off. But as you saw, to get all of that out of there, we had to heat the nozzle up till it was pretty much glowing red hot. And that is why I say it's a last resort, because by heating it up red hot like that and letting it cool, the dimensions of the nozzle are likely not where they're supposed to be anymore. But we are going to let it cool in ambient air temperatures. We're not going to dunk it in the water and quench it to try cool it faster. By doing that, we could actually shrink the nozzle and make those dimensions even worse off. So we'll let it cool slowly, and hopefully it's going to be as close to 0.4 as it was originally once it cools. Again, this is a last resort. It does work. We're going to throw this thing back onto the printer again, and this time I'm not going to crank the temperature up quite as high, and hopefully we don't make a mess of the nozzle again in the future here. I will be replacing that later on. This was just a way to keep me going. So anyways, that's it for today. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe. Have a good one. We'll see you later.